All right, we got this 12 1/4 pound turkey from a grocery store. Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like when we're done, nice and juicy with the nice crispy skin. First thing we do, we take the turkey out of the bag. Yep, looks great. We try and take out all the giblets, all the innards. That's the neck. Yummy. We use all of those for the gravy for later on. What we're doing right now is we're rinsing the turkey. Yeah, make sure it's nice and clean and get all the whatever sediments it has in there. That's right. We got the manual timer right there. We put some salt. Yeah, we make sure we put it all around the turkey. Cleans up all the residue. There you go. Spread it around and we rinse it. Make sure our turkey is nice and clean, because we're gonna add in some rub later to give flavor to the turkey. Now we get it ready in the pan. There we go. We get our rub ready. So salt and some sage. Add some thyme, some rosemary. We put some pepper and a little bit of garlic powder as well. Mix them all together. We can get all those spices and seasonings all throughout the turkey. We'll put some of that inside the skin and outside of it. Make sure that the inside has some flavor in it. Trying to stretch it out. Let's open up that skin and so we can get the rub in there. There we go. Some butter. Yeah, that's definitely gonna add some flavor in there. Now we put inside the turkey that rub that we just made earlier. Some inside of the turkey. Some on that skin and on the outside for even flavoring. There we go. In this part of the process, we want to make sure we get the nice juicy turkey. Flavor is important, but the juiciness of the turkey will be just as important. Now we start adding in the onions. It has that strong pungent flavor, and we're adding in the green bell peppers. Both of them makes some amazing aftertaste to the turkey. So I suggest that you add this in as well. So this is how the turkey is supposed to look like. We got it ready for the oven. Set the oven at 350 degrees and for 3.5 hours. So now we're ready to take out our turkey. That'll be gobble gobble right there. We got it to a nice golden brown color. Look at that. Manual timer's all popped up. Look at that nice turkey, nice and soft, nice and tender. And you got the juices as well. Added a little bit of gravy. Now we enjoy our Thanksgiving turkey. Thank you. If you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe.